Hi guys, it's DIY with Dana at the Butterbar Skincare, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn our everyday skincare line into a brightening treatment. A brightening cleanser, a brightening exfoliation, and then a brightening mask. So stay tuned. And all you need is the Butterbar Turmeric and Honey Mask, your favorite Butterbar cleanser, your favorite Butterbar exfoliation, some organic raw honey, and a lemon. Alrighty, and we're going to start with our cleanser. So what you'll need is just the turmeric and honey mask, and again, your favorite cleanser. And then you'll just use a little scoop of the turmeric honey. And then you'll just go ahead and add your cleanser. It should look like this. So now we're going to be going into the brightening scrub. You can choose any scrub that you like from the Butterbar, and then again our turmeric and honey mask. So you'll just do 1 or 2 scoops of your favorite scrub. I'm going to do 2 just to be on the safe side. And then 2 to 3 scoops of our turmeric honey. And then you're going to want to cut your lemon. You probably just need a half of a half. And then just squeeze that right in. And then mix that right up. And if you need to, you can always add more of the scrub. So the consistency that you're looking for is going to be not too runny, but also not too rough. You want it to be able to just glide on the skin. You want it to still have some exfoliation in there, but not too aggressive because the lemon is going to be an exfoliation on its own. Alrighty. So now when you have your paste, it'll look like a pasty consistency with still a scrub. You'll just use it like a mask. Do your exfoliation. And last but not least, we'll be doing our brightening mask. And for this, you'll just need some organic honey, some turmeric from our Butterbar, and some fresh lemon. So you'll just start by mixing a little honey into your bowl, just enough for a mask size. And then you'll mix 1 to 2 scoops of the turmeric powder, and then 1/2 of the lemon. It's okay if the seeds get in there. And then just mix that with your mask brush or your spoon. And then the consistency will be just a little bit runnier than the honey. Again, you just don't want it to be too loose where it's watery and then just runs off the face. You want it to stick like a mask. So it'll look a little like this. And then you'll just finish with your favorite Butterbar toner and serum. My favorite is the apple and honey, just for any breakouts and to balance the skin. And then I finish off with our Glory for that anti-aging and antioxidant support. And you just use 1, 2, 3 drops.